जिंदगी ना मिलेगी दोबारा के awesome twosome ऋतिक रोशन और कतरीना कैफ. Katrina, you're looking so lovely in red. I'm sure both of us would like to sing Lady in Red for her, Hrithik.
I think it's just you who wants to sing it.
No, but I can't sing to save my life.
नहीं प्लीज आप
गाइए ना. सर ये उठ के चली जाएंगी.
नहीं जाएंगे.
पूरा फ्लॉप हो जाएगा. हाँ?
नहीं जाएंगे. It's a compliment.
One line.
गा लो.
Lady in Red is dancing with
Sitting
me.
with me.
Huh?
See, you have a good voice
Nice.
and you know it. You were just conning us.
हसलर हैं, हसलर.
अरे क्या हसलर बुला दिया आपने शो के शुरू में ही. But anyway, जब आपको देखता तो गाने मन लगता है.
Thank you.
आप भी ताली बजा दीजिए ना मेरे सिंगिंग के लिए. Thank you.
Well
Thank you. जिंदगी ना मिलेगी दोबारा.
नहीं
क्या
मिलेगी
इस
दोबारा.
फिल्म के बारे में भी ऐसा कह सकते हैं कि ऐसी फिल्म ना मिलेगी दोबारा? कतरीना?
I think hopefully every film that I do, every film that I do, you want it to be a film which is going to be very memorable, and a film like that should never come again. So I hope this film is memorable for all the right reasons, and it makes a mark.
I'm sure it will. ऋतिक, मैंने सुना है कि स्कूल में आप बहुत नॉटी चीजें किया करते थे.
मैं?
हाँ.
नहीं वो ये थी.
वो ये थी?
I never went to school, so I could never be.
तो जब भी वो
You never went to school?
No, I'm joking.
Like me, I also never went to school.
I was homeschooled, so I didn't go to public school
Self-taught.
till later.
इसलिए थोड़ा सब.
क्या? Did you see that?
I'm sorry, what was that? Do you want to just repeat that
I'm
for
just
our
joking.
benefit?
I'm just joking.
Yeah, but you know what he did right now?
No, I didn't see.
You didn't see
It's
it? Shall I do
behind
it?
me, Yeah.
Shall I get you into trouble?
I think
He
you
did.
should.
Pointed at your.
ऐसी है.
हाँ.
I haven't quite figured that out. I think
it's a salute actually.
I think this is a trick that people do when they want to deflect the attention away from the fact that actually he's not right in his head, so he's putting it onto me. So you think it's actually me.
She actually says you're not right in the head. What do you have to say about
It's
that?
just we are in character. That's how we are in the film.
Okay.
So we're just
Always
trying to
fighting at each other's throats.
something like that, no?
Yeah.
No, he's not seen the film.
Now you have to go and see it and decide for yourself
No, but
whether that's
off screen भी
true or
ऐसा fighting करते रहते हैं क्या आप लोग?
No. I just keep trying to give her good advice on how to do the right thing.
Yeah. Does he?
She's very prone to doing
he
the wrong
really does.
things.
In fact, I've suggested for him that he should think of not an alternate career, but something he can add and do simultaneously with acting as a guidance counselor.
No, I would be good in that.
Yeah.
See, he's happy. I give good suggestions.
तो माने ये हर 10 मिनट आपके पास आती है एडवाइस के लिए?
नहीं हर 10 मिनट नहीं.
Not me, anyone. You also. He'd love to give you advice. He likes to give people
Actually,
advice.
sounds very good. Dr. Hrithik Roshan.
Yeah.
You should charge
नहीं
people
ऐसी
for
कोई
it.
बात नहीं. But I'm good in that. I am good. I understand human behavior. I think well. Yeah.
So what do you understand of Katrina? Since you understand human behavior.
I've told her. I जानती है वो तो.
नहीं मुझे बताइए ना. मैं भी
आपको क्यों बताओ भैया? उसकी लाइफ है. आपको क्यों बताओ?
Actually, I really don't know, and you have never told me, so this is not true.
Honestly, I feel that जितना भी आज तक लोग जानते हैं about Katrina, whatever fame she's achieved, whatever success that she's achieved so far in her life, I believe that this is not even half of it. It's not even 20% of it. The potential that lies inside is a lot more. So I just hope she keeps growing the right way, and I think she can really conquer. And I'm serious about this.
But in your school days, मैंने सुना है कि आप बहुत शैतानियाँ करते थे, and because you had this सीधा face, you used to get pampered and used to get away with murder. Is that true or not?
Not really. घर पे yes. घर पे yes.
Not really to me sounds like yes. That's entirely true. You hit the nail on the
नहीं
head.
अपने घर पे वो शैतानियाँ करके I used to get away with it. But outside I was very nice.
अच्छा, scuba diving is something you did in this film, right? Have you perfected the art where you can start a Katrina Kaif scuba diving academy?
What do you think? Should I start a scuba diving academy? Would I be a good teacher? I think we would have the highest fatality rate in any scuba diving academy in the world, because I'd be.
No, you can just teach them in
it would be a freestyle.
2 feet water, and it's a scuba diving academy for all fans who can just come and stand in 2 feet water with her, and you can just do something like this and say that's scuba diving, and they'll actually be happy with it. They will pay money.
He has said this, but
It's fantastic. I mean, if I can have a second income through whatever you're saying, my guidance thing, you can be a scuba diving instructor.
Both of you actually suggesting alternative careers to each other.
I know we're big supporters of each other's acting talent, but I forgot what I was going to say.
You were saying about 2 feet water में लोगों को सिखाना.
There was a point to it.
Yeah, you forgot. See, that usually happens when you're thinking of something bad to say, about nice people.
No,
That's what happens.
No, it was a good thing to say. Oh yeah, I was going to say that. Please, when you do see the film, you will note the scuba diving sequence where Ritik is in the water with me and we're swimming or scuba diving, whatever it is you call it. And honestly, unbiasedly, please tell me who you think looks better and more at ease, and that to me looks like, oh, that person is a professional diver. Just let me know.
I can say without watching the film, Katrina, you win hands down. Sorry, Ritik.
Yeah, because I had to act as if I don't know. So.
You're not supposed to say that part.
You jumped off a plane. उसके बारे में बताइए.
उसके बारे में क्या बताऊं मैं आपको? It was the most unbelievable experience of my life. Now I feel as I've just like bought over this.
No, now you see the rest of the show.
Okay, you're there.
Now you see what we do. हाँ, और इसके बाद एक और question.
Yeah, what? What's the next question?
नहीं, but
First,
were you
answer.
nervous doing that?
Yeah, of course I was nervous. मैं nervous था, डर रहा था, लेकिन फिर भी मैंने किया because that is the fun of it. You know, it's the nervous energy and the passion to just overcome your fear. You know, that is the main charge of all these kind of adventure sports. And it was the most surreal experience of my life. उस plane से कूदने के बाद when you are just by yourself और आप गिर रहे हो from some 12,000 feet and there is nobody around you. It is the most the क्या बोलते हैं, the loudest silence that I have heard in my life.
That's a new one, loudest silence.
It's the loudest silence. This is nothing. And you can just turn in slow motion, and of course, as an actor, I always have background score in my head. So I'm flying down, I'm hearing background score, and I'm looking at my fingers cutting through the wind. At that speed, it is something else. It's the most centering experience of my life. You must try.